Hi everyone, welcome back to channel Shopify Expert. So in this video we will discuss about this sell channel. Let's get started. So first we'll go in a admin part. Yeah, this is admin store. So this is a sell channel. Click on sell channel and online store. So themes, blog, post, pages, navigation and preference. So these five things we will discuss today in this video. So we continue. Please watch till the end. Yep. So first we have selected a theme. So theme basically work for the entire front end of this website. Before checkout, we can manage all the things. If you are using Shopify Plus and check out the liquid file, then you can manage in a checkout in this. So this is a theme section. So theme section is just this is a current running theme, and these are duplicate themes like a backup themes. Suppose most of the developer creating these theme according to requirement, like one feature we have developed on this theme, then create a duplicate theme and develop this feature. After developing feature, we can publish the theme. This is theme section. So here is lots of theme. Below is the duplicate themes and duplicate and library themes. These are on theme, so we can create for the duplicate for the new creating feature. So first go with the live theme. First one is a always published theme. It's what is running in my front end. Yeah. So go to preview. Preview thing is, suppose you are want to what is the effect of when I develop any customizations. So you want to share any manager and any client any feature what you have developed. So click on this share preview and copy link and share any client. You can see here this the URL has changed and password has book. Yeah, also mention please share your password, you know, password, and then client can see all the changes what you have done. Yep. So go back to in admin channel. So second thing is a rename. So you can rename any theme. I think you are already aware on pronouns of name and download theme. Duplicate. Duplicate theme is creating a duplicate of current theme. Suppose you want to copy duplicate of this, then you click on duplicate. Duplicate will create on this. So right now I have created duplicate on this theme. Yep. So throw the duplicate and download theme file. Suppose you want to download this current theme, so you this theme sent to in your email. So after that you click on link and then download the theme in your local system. Then you can, if you require, then you can upload in a any other store, like a upload zip file, because no need to customize and remove files any. You can directly upload in another store. You can see look like all the things. Yeah, and after this edit code, I think suppose you want to edit minor and major changes in your files like blog collection files and template config sections like header changes, so you can click on a relative file and then you can make the changes. It's a schema, most of the liquid schema and css and html changes. So if anyone aware of this, then they can manage easily. So if I not a theme development is not a hard, app development maybe it will difficult because we need to manage lots of things. So go back to theme, we will discuss deeply later on a theme, edit theme and edit default theme language. Suppose lots of places we are using a dynamic content like a login page, we are using placeholder. You can change placeholder here, like edit and password, login password. So these things Yeah, like here email this one, and you can see. So suppose you want to change this email. So lots of changes you need to copy and paste, and yeah, uh, should change recovery password. Yeah, you can see the changes. So lots of things like a default these type of text and content we can manage from here. Basically, it's a dynamic predefined names, so we can change it dynamically. So according to store, basically lots of time store is a different store language. So no need to go code directly, and you can anyone can change like who has not require any deep knowledge. So like text and placeholder and link, so these things we can manage here. Yep, all the like blog order product template onboarding accessibilities newsletter journal things. Yeah, so go to in a back. So we have covered all the things in a first section. So click on customize. Customize is a main thing. I think you have already aware when you watching this video, because in customization we can manage home page, and product and collections. Yeah, product collection, I think we have already discussed about this previous video. Please watch this video in this link, click on this link. So collection list page and blog. So page, so we are creating a template. I think Shopify the expert. We are creating clone of default page. Yeah, so if I export page page, yeah, we have created template, one template. We will let you when we use this. And Shopify expert blog. So create a blog template. So we have created blog template, and so two things, product template and blog template. And blog post, if you want, basically right now no I have permission to create a blog post. So two things we have created, and suppose if you want to manage home page, you can hide and this. If you want to create a this type of column section and drop on down, you need to aware of schema is the last thing. Basically lots of schema is, so if I aware collections and collection selection and product and drop down range, lots of checkbox radio box. So these type of things you need to learn how to create and schema and set sections. So it's a long thing, so we will discuss in a next video this thing. So I think if you already aware, it's good, otherwise you can create a Shopify document. So back to these are all things. Here is a footer and here is a header and middle part, all the basically header footer. When you change anything in a header footer, it will apply in a all entire stores. So will middle part work depend on like here you can see here is a line below this line and above this line. It's a change according to template, like home page template. When you select in a product template, it will change. Yeah, header is the same, footer is the same, middle part of changed, like below this you can see line and above this you can see line. Yeah, and so you can directly go to edit code, previously what we have discussed. Same thing, edit themes and view documentation and get supported. And after this, it's a globalization setting. Suppose what we are doing, and so basically which store you want to create this. Basically right now Shopify has provided uh, B2B and B2B and other countries. If you want to create a one store to other country, then you can manage from here. Yeah, according to store, we can manage this thing according to country wise and B2B and these things. So if you want to check in a responsive, by default is you have opened in a desktop view, click on responsive and you can full screen and desktop view, and you can back. Suppose you have changed, suppose I am forgetted what we have changed, so you can back window. Yeah, it will change. Yep, admin part is a covered. I think deep process we will discuss in another video. We will discuss in another video. But it's a time taken. We needed lots of time for this. How to create a schema and these things. So these are global setting. These are global setting. We can manage. Some setting are already when you install theme, and some setting we need to create in a from backend. For any sections you want to access one text for entire website, no matter section base. So you can create a here any setting like cart setting and product setting. So you can create a product setting here and you can access setting dot parameter name. Then you can access entire store. Yeah. Third thing, third thing is basically when you install any third-party app, then you can see here widgets. Then you can apply in your stores according to collection wise and product wise. So go back to in a theme. These are same thing we can remove in a draft theme. Suppose you have has you has a limit of 20 theme and 15 theme, and Shopify Plus has lots of theme we can manage in a draft. So if you have reached limit of theme, then you can remove not use theme. Yeah, and we can same thing customize and edit and everything. But if you want to publish, then you need to click on this and publish. This theme will publish in your live store. This theme has replaced, this theme has moved here, and this theme and move in a below. Yep. So theme section, these are paid suggestion of theme. Go to blog section, blog post. Go to blog post section. So here is no any blog. So otherwise you can learn about blog, and otherwise you can, if you are aware, you can create a blog. It's a normal post. I think you have already aware. So create Shopify expert. Open a lorem sum, copy code, share it. Yeah. Here is the same thing. Suppose you want to bold, you can format according to, yeah, you can format according to your chain, according to your design, and expect is a below thing like for SEO purpose. And SEO you can, suppose your blog title is a different and your SEO partner is told us I want a title is a different like under 70 character and these things. Also you can check slug here, url slug. So go to back to Shopify expert, and what do you want to set visibility date. Suppose you want to post automatically in another date, you can set visibility date here. Otherwise visible in an instant, then you can set here. Image, I think yeah, we have uploaded author name and category. news and blog, you can create a categories and tags like expert. You can create a blog. Also you can preview. This blog is created for the SEO purpose, so it will look like this tab. You can change a structure when you understand how to create a theme and designing in a Shopify store. So you can create a template, blog template, then you can manage these things where you can to show date, images, image want to reduce size, then like look like it's a different, then you can change through the customizer when you create a section and template, then you can change. Yeah, and go back to basically these are we have already covered all the things in a blog, so it's a small thing you can view in a front end store, and you can create another, then you can create another here. Same thing, page here is a page list, and click on page, add a Shopify page. Yeah, this is a content, and same thing you can manage. Suppose you want to add any script and on individual page, then you can add here and add a script normal. So back to editor, and you want to same thing, set visibility in after and set visibility right now hidden. So I'm right now visible, so when you publish, then it will visible in a front end. If you're watching this video, from starting, so we have created a page template. So page template means here where we can select page template, and when we change any design layout in a customizer, then it's apply on this page, because we have changed template. Default template it's apply in a same thing in all pages, but if you want to this page is different, then you can change template. Same thing, page title, description for SEO purpose, and URL structure, URL handle. So click on save, then you can see same thing here, and here is a preview. This is a normal page. Basically page is created for SEO purpose, and lots of information we want to display about us page and about us page, contact us page, so that's we require Shopify pages. Okay, so Shopify page is covered, so we will display in this page in a menu. Yeah, so go back, navigations, no need to any video for this, so okay, no worry. I will discuss. Basically you can create a new menu and assign to the customizer, and otherwise you can add it in a previous existing menu. So click on this and Shopify expert, and click on this page and Shopify page and save. You can see here, if you want to open, click on this save and go to home page. It will take, yeah, this is created and highlighted. Suppose you want to move in a below of catalog, then go to here, drag and drop, and some left, yeah, under catalog, click on this, reload, yeah, you can create a sub menu, look like this. Yeah, this is a menu name and handle. Go back, this is a filter, one app. So if I provide one app for search and discovery, we can create a filter for product like size base, color base, and availability base. This type of ways we can filter out the product. So you can install this app if you want. Otherwise we will discuss later in a deeply how can we use. And yeah, so and view URL tag. Suppose your client is told us one thing. Suppose my previous URL is this. Client want to redact on same page on one. So if I page underscore one, so you go back to here and create a redact URL. So um, click on this shop and save redact. This type of URL you can create and then it will redact automatically. Yeah, and other if you created wrongly then you can delete redact. So I have created wrongly, so I will delete this. So and last thing we will discuss preference. Preference is a small thing like basically we need to setting all the things. Suppose you need to for home page title, like you can see in a near a favicon icon. So Shopify page, so you can change here home page title, home page descriptions, and for these all the thing SEO and controlling of events in a preference. So home page title, it's a fine. And social sharing, which is suppose you have shared any link, blog link and a page link and website store link, then image is display automatically. So you can set images here for social media, and Google Analytics code you can mention here, and then you can check it will work. And after that Google Pixel, say no, Facebook, and this is a Facebook Pixel. You can set up Facebook Pixel and customer privacies, basically all return policy, all the things we can manage. When you click on this, it will redirect on another page. So restricted store, this store, suppose your client want to don't publish any store right now for normal users, then you can set a password. When you set this, and without this password you can't access. If you share this password for your client and managers, then they can access what you have done till now. Yeah, and B2B, basically right now we are using B2B, and in upcoming video we will discuss B2B customers and these things. And spamming, it's a mandatory things. When you enable this thing in a contact form, for is protection for the spamming. Basically two places we can enable for contact form, for login register and these things. Okay, I think we have already covered all the things as we discussed in starting of the video. So if you have any questions, and let me know on the comment, and otherwise you can follow my LinkedIn profile and you can ask there. If you want to connect to me, you can follow my LinkedIn profile, we have added in the descriptions, so you can follow me and connect. If you have any question, we will connect later in a team and any medium. Okay, thank you. See you again in next video. Bye. Have a good day.